How to use fresh aloe vera for skin care. Aloe vera gel can also be used as an aftershave treatment as it will both hydrate the skin and help heal razor burn and small nicks. Its antibacterial, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties protect the skin from bacteria and other pathogens which lead to infection and inflammation. It contains substances, gibberellines and polysaccharides, that stimulate the growth of new cells, while glycoproteins reduce the inflammation and redness. As an astringent, aloe vera reduces pore size, which helps keep out excess sebum, dirt, and microbes. In Ayurvedic medicine, aloe is also used to treat psoriasis and eczema. Aloe vera may help activate new hair growth by increasing the blood circulation to the scalp, and delivering several important vitamins and minerals. It contains proteolytic enzymes which repair dead skin cells on the scalp. Dandruff has a number of causes, including dry skin, fungal infections, and irritated, oily skin. Aloe vera helps with all these conditions. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties fight fungus, while the gel also hydrates and balances oiliness. Green tea and aloe skin toner. This 3-ingredient toner is so easy to make. It promises to tighten pores, remove toxins, reduce redness and moisturize. Simply blend water, green tea, and aloe vera for a gentle astringent action. Those with extra oily skin can add some witch hazel if they wish. Cucumber and aloe face mask for dry skin. This mask couldn't be simpler to make and will alleviate the dryness and tightness around your face and hairline. Just add cucumber and aloe to a blender, whiz up and apply to your skin for 20 minutes.